Alzheimer's is a disorder in the brain and cognition. It is caused by the buildup of plaques and proteins that eventually cause brain cells to die. There is a loss of synapses, which keeps cells from communicating messages. This loss of brain cells causes difficulty in learning and recalling memories, and may cause changes in mood and personality as the disease progresses. Most people living with Alzheimer's are 65 or older, but people as young as 40 can have early onset Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is one of the top leading causes of death, and currently there are estimates that over 5 million Americans are living with the disease. There is no cure for Alzheimer's, but medications may ease symptoms such as memory loss. As the brain cells die, the symptoms worsen because the cells are no longer making the same connections as before. The medications affect chemicals that send messages between the brain cells' nerves. Still, medication cannot slow or stop the symptoms of Alzheimer's. Stem cells have been tested on mice that were genetically altered to have Alzheimer's disease. Once the stem cells were in the brain, they produced a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, also known as BDNF. This protein causes existing tissues to increase connections between neurons and form new synapses while repairing the damaged neurons. The mice who were introduced to the stem cells performed better on memory tests than mice who were not exposed to the stem cells. There is a hope for a cure of this disease through the use of stem cells to create and replace brain cells that have been destroyed. Scientists say that once treatments can reduce the death of the cells, these treatments could also be used with stem cell therapies to stop the disease and restore functions that have been lost. Because stem cells can form any type of human cell, it is possible for stem cell lines to be created from neurons or other brain cells from the patient's skin cells. Advantages to the potential of stem cell therapy for Alzheimer's patients is that it could delay the onset and severity of the symptoms associated with the disease, leading to a better quality of life. There are limitations and ethical issues to the use of stem cells in treatments for Alzheimer's. For example, the stem cells are often extracted from embryos. The long-term effects have not been studied, and there is a possibility that the body may reject the stem cells.